we're going to do an instruction video on how to use the TGA. So what we start with here now is the window, and it's open like this. When you come to this computer, it always looks like this. Okay, so then we go in.
Method window.
Method window. And then it opens a window like this.
Yes, and then you have to choose TGA.
You choose TGA. Okay, that's good.
And it's always Alumina 70 UI. Never change this.
Always aluminum.
And
Can we see how they
temperature.
look? What they look like? Do you have them somewhere? Oh, there are many different to choose between, but
Yeah,
it
but
should
it's
be
always 70.
Okay, we will look at them later. Then.
And we have temperature.
Temperature. That's what we want to do. Yes.
Do we do this one?
It's dynamic.
Oh, dynamic. Then we press dynamic.
We press dynamic.
And we choose our temperature 30 start.
We start with room temperature, right? We are room temperature now, isn't it?
Yeah.
This can only go down to 30. So
Oh,
cannot
okay.
go to
So 30 is the start
And
automatic.
then the end is what we choose.
Okay, but now we
want
to go up
600.
to 110.
Oh yeah.
110 because we are going to lie on 110 for a while to evaporate off water from our sample.
But wouldn't it be better 150?
No, we stay at 110, not
Okay.
to deform anything.
And 10 per
And
minute?
the heating rate there is 10 per minute. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. Oh, did you see that? It came a line there.
And then we press, we choose what type we're using, nitrogen,
Wait.
oxygen, air.
Also, wait, so you pressed on the
Double press this.
double press there, okay?
And we are gonna use nitrogen. Yes.
Nitrogen, we do nitrogen.
And flow
yeah.
always 50. 50
Flow
milliliter
always
per minute.
50, okay, we have 50 there, that's great. Okay, and then we put okay.
Yes.
And now it changed up there, so we have everything written down. Okay, excellent, thank you.
More than that, I don't.
Now we are going to continue, and we want to continue all the way as high as we can for the, is it aluminum cups or aluminum oxide?
No, it's ceramic.
It's ceramic cups, so we can go quite high in temperature. So which is the maximum temperature you can go to?
1000.
1000? Okay, but we don't need to go to 1000.
700, 600.
We can go to, if we want to degrade all the polymer, so if we go to
700?
700, we are fine, I think. Yeah. 700 should be fine. That should burn off everything, yes.
But
Okay.
can you make multiple sequences?
Yes.
So how do we do the second?
So
But
now,
do you want to hold on at 110?
Yes.
oh, we want to stay,
evaporate
yeah,
all
you're
the
right,
moisture.
yes. We want to stay on 110 for 20 minutes.
Here you press isothermal.
You press, wait,
Isothermal.
oh, you press there?
Yes. And here you put the time, 20 minutes.
I think 25. To make it more.
25 minutes, 110, okay.
Okay.
And then, oh no, it's added a little bit there. That's
And the
excellent.
flow is still the same, so you don't need to change.
Okay. So now we are going to increase it up to
700. No?
700.
Then we add another dynamic.
Another dynamic is added.
And then we have 700 10 per minute.
Perfect. So that means that we have made. Are we finished now?
And we're not going more than this.
No. And you have to click the subtract black
Blank.
curves and uncheck the for the points. It's because for TGA you always run a black cut to remove the background. and
Oh.
everything.
But what was that? So we subtract the blank curve for our data. That's good. So that we only get our data for our sample.
Yes.
And then how much sample do we need to put in the cup?
It's like
How many grams?
5 milligram.
5 milligrams.
5 milligram.
It's 5 milligrams.
Yes, 5 milligram.
Okay.
Like
we can
this.
put as much as we can in the cup maybe, but then you had something else here. Compensate from buoyancy. What was that?
It's like if you do not unclick it, every time when you finish, it will come out the buoyancy influence. So you have to come here after every sample. So you just unclick this one.
So you unclick the. So compensate buoyancy should be a minus on it, right? And subtract for.
It should be unchecked. You see, this one is checked and this is unchecked. If you press this, you see
Color
it
is
check,
different.
Ah,
and then it's uncheck.
okay. So both now they're different color now.
Yeah, this one is checked,
Uh-huh.
and this is unchecked. So if you press this, it's unchecked, checked, and this is unchecked now.
Okay, so that's the way to be. Okay, perfect. Then
And then you click File, Save As. So here you always put your own name and the method name.
Okay, so I will just
file
have,
save as you pressed, and then it came this one.
so we'll have Adrian Toki, and then
Your method name.
TGA carbon fiber sizing,
And then maybe nitrogen because you want.
and then N2. Like this.
Yeah, and you press OK.
Good.
It's, here it is.
Are we ready?
And we have to prepare the samples now.
Okay, this now we go for preparing
The
sample.
method is okay.
Method is okay. That's good. Instruction video ready on methods.